How to get list of participants from your Zoom room. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can get list of participants from your Zoom room. So how can you do this? The first step is to log in into your Zoom account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you've started a meeting, you'll be brought to the meetings page. On this page, by the lower part of the screen, you'll see the meeting controls. That is, each of these contains different things that can be done on the meeting. So once you can see this, the next step to see the list of participants is to click on the participant icon, which is located in between security and share screen. So once you click on the participant icon by the right side of the screen, you will see the list of your participants here. And then by the upper part of the screen, where you can see participants, you'll see the number of participants you have. Currently, I'm the only participant. That is why it's showcasing one and my name. But for you, you'll see all of the participants in here. And then you can just see all of them. If you want to invite more, you can click on invite. If you want to mute all, you can just click on mute all. If you want to add more function, click on add more, and then you can see other options as well. So this is how it works. This is how you can um get list of participants from Zoom room. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.